Hello, Kumari. How are you doing tonight? I don't know if you're still here or not. I kind of wanted to start talking at 5, but you know what? I'm not in a rush to only only start talking at 5. But yeah, can you hear me? I don't know if you can hear me. I am good. I am good. I'm just tired, and I actually don't know if I want to do coding practice tonight. Even though I said on my Asana calendar that I'd um I'd actually do some coding, but I don't know if I have the energy enough tonight to finish it. I said I finished the whole entire course, but right now I just feel mentally exhausted. But oh my goodness, that's the point of life. You gotta keep going, and everything doesn't stop because you feel like it. Oh, how are you doing, Kamori? We haven't spoken for a very long time. I'm just I kind of expected more people instead of just you, Kumori. But yeah, I was anticipating I wouldn't see you at all today, Kumori. I was anticipating other people, and I was like, I guess maybe you're the only one here to talk to me. That's good. That's good. Yeah. I feel like these days I should really not be on social media because I feel like I know too much. And right now it's like, I guess other kids, well, see, I'm not a kid anymore. I'm in my 30s. I'm just saying, like, in general, younger people of my circumstance will be taught by their family or their parents at least about don't say this publicly or blah 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 because it's gonna be really bad. It's just like, yeah, over these past 3 years, I've been silently observing and learning about the world, and I'm just like, oh, I didn't know that. So now I have all this realization stirred up in me, and I'm not saying this to like, I really like, I'm thinking, I gotta keep quiet. So these days, as much as I want to be on social media, it's attracting to have like an A-list status on the internet and have the netizens talk about you and gossip about you, but overall it's like I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. So cuz I really don't know like the consequences of things if I reveal too much and stuff. But anyway, yeah. I made a few mistakes the past couple of weeks, and I'm just like, yep. Oh, oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, Kimura. I really didn't feel like doing a stream today, but I just felt like, you know what, I should probably like say something because these days people keep expecting me. Yeah, yeah, that is extremely true. That is extremely true, and that's how the saying goes: is like ignorance is bliss. So yeah, ignorance really is bliss. You don't know. It's better you don't know. So yeah, I understand. There's a lot of things I don't know what's really going on. So I'm just like trying to mind my own business and just work on my career, work on getting my getting my well-being in order, and yeah. I am happy though. A few of my New Year's resolutions I didn't follow through with. That was exercise every single day and do my night care routine, nighttime skin routine every night, and also put on makeup every day. But I am Yes, I think I'm just gonna focus on entertaining myself and not worry about too much because some things it's better I don't know. Some things it's just like yeah, I have no clue really of what's really happening, and I yeah, I'm realizing as I grow older that ignorance really is bliss. So yeah, again, this is the thing. People criticize me and say, "Oh, don't you want to be rich and don't you want to be?" The thing is, how my mother sees this is that my mother sees that in the future she's probably not going to be with me in the future when she's not here anymore. So, me struggling financially is teaching me teaching me discipline. Is teaching me discipline, and I agree with her because if I can't even handle taking care of myself as a single crazy cat lady, if I can't even focus on taking care of myself, how am I supposed to handle my parents being gone and not being able to help me? Well, right now I only have my mom now, so I'm just thinking when yeah, because when the inevitable happens, I'm not going to, and plus I will have much more responsibility by then. So it's just like I need to be disciplined. So me struggling financially now is just preparing me for the future when I do have to take on huge things. So that's why people generally ask me, Sonia, why aren't you happy? Why don't you want more money, Sonia? Why don't you want more stuff? And I don't know. It's just my answer to that is my mom is trying to teach me discipline because by the time when I'm forced to handle all that, then I'll be prepared. And right now, I'm definitely not prepared. I don't know a lot of things, and I don't think if someone told me everything, if someone told me everything that's going on, like I don't even know how I can handle that. Yeah, yeah. So like that's my mom's philosophy, and I agree with her. It's just like I need to have it rough. I need to have it rough in order to train me for the future. So and I 100% agree with her, and this is the best way to train me is to force me to. This is the thing. I know my mom can easily give me an allowance, right? Because my cousins get allowances. Like my cousin's dad, my uncle, not my uncle by blood, my uncle in law, but he's still my uncle at the end of the day. Either way, my point is that he's like the equivalent of a CEO in China, right? Like a Da Laoban or a big boss. Da Laoban literally means big boss in China. So he gives my cousin thousands of dollars of allowances each month. And my mom, she's done pretty well for herself. She's done pretty well for herself. So she could easily give me thousands of dollars of allowances each month. But she's decided no, Sonia's gonna be broke. Sonia's gonna learn how to struggle. Sonia's gonna learn how to discipline herself so she knows how to handle money and not be not be frivolously spending like my cousin. So that's my mom's philosophy. And even though it sucks, I really would like an allowance, but my mom's not gonna my mom's really hard on me, but so far it's like it's I feel like so far my life because she's been hard on me, it's done me good. It's done me good. So, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, my dream right now is to focus on learning ASP.NET and focus on yeah, yeah. Thanks for the encouragement, Kumori. I really appreciate it. So yeah, my mom's like thinking thinking about what'll happen when she's gone and I'm left alone. So I need to toughen up. I need to I don't know. Anyway, so what are we doing? Yeah, a tough life makes good people. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'm trying to go to my game screen, but it's not working. I think, gosh, there you go. Okay, here's the Code Academy screen. Yeah, here's my Code Academy screen, and I honestly yeah, I really don't feel like doing anything with it. I just want to rest, but I know I can't rest. But yeah, here's the Code Academy screen, and let's just browse through the learning, cause yeah, I'm here with build ASP web apps. Let's look at the syllabus. You know, I debated signing up for a boot camp, but then I thought I shouldn't pay a few $100 to take boot camps because there's a schedule, and yeah, I should just do at least just one course. One course is enough, I think. So let me see what I done so far. So this is all done. So let's just do this. Introduction to Blazor server. Yeah, let's just keep going. Let's just do this part, the lesson part. Welcome to Blazor server. Web applications have traditionally required developers to use different programming languages for different parts of the application. C# on the server and JavaScript on the client, but what could we use C#? What if we could use C# everywhere? That's where Blazor comes in. Blazor is a framework that lets us build interactive web applications using C# and .NET instead of JavaScript. It's part of the ASP.NET Core platform, which means we can leverage the power and familiarity with C# across the entire stack. ASP.NET Core offers 3 different hosting models for Blazor applications, each designed for different scenarios. Blazor Server, Blazor WebAssembly. I'm using Blazor WebAssembly in my current job right now. And static SSR, static server-side rendering. Okay. Sorry, I'm just reading this silently now. Yeah, I'm sorry, Komori. I'm a bit of an introvert. Yeah, I'm not too extroverted, unfortunately. So, yeah, I, I prefer not reading things out loud. You know, this is the thing. I could easily go into Visual Studio and just select the a new spin up a new Blazor project. I never saw this .NET command thing here of running it via command line. I don't know. I still prefer things. Okay, okay. I'm glad you can read it too. I'm just I'm exhausted these days, even though I know I have it easy. I'm just very exhausted, so yeah. I feel tired all the time. And I feel tired all the time and I feel depressed most of the time because I just realize yeah, yeah. I wish things were different, but they're not, and I have to struggle on my own to do things. So, but I think that's a good thing. So, yeah. Yeah, these. Oh, thanks, Kamari. Yeah, yeah. Some words of encouragement is greatly appreciated. I feel like sometimes I think life can be so hard. Just like, yeah. This is the thing, Kamori. Let me explain to you. Let me just. I don't know if you still want to be on this page, but I don't know how useful this is to you. This is basically teaching the Microsoft stack. This is web development, but using C sharp. So this is I'm the courses I'm taking are all Microsoft stack courses. So, well, I have a huge gaming PC, so I just thought, yeah, I would really like to learn everything about Microsoft, but yeah, I'm just at this point. I know I'm still a junior. I'm still a junior engineer. I'm not a senior engineer, so I got a long way to go. And yeah, I'm at a good place though. I have a I have a I have a job that is puts me on the right path. So yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, sorry. I'm just really tired and I just feel like chatting with you instead of looking at the Code Academy screen. But you know what? Let me just read through this and then I'll take a break and I just want to do something else besides reading. But I know about the program CS file. I know about app Razor file pages. They're just static template Razor pages are template pages, and components are all the business logic. So, yep. This is the thing. I'm used to Blazor WebAssembly. I never got got very deep into Blazor server apps. I know Blazor WebAssembly. This is new to me, so okay. I'm just gonna. Well, let's just do these two steps. There's only two steps here. Let's just do this. Explore the Blazor project structure and functionality. Um, okay. Yeah, browse. Okay, I browse in the components. Where's the components? Okay, these are the Razor pages. That's the layout. These are the actual pages. Okay, I see this. Click me. Where is the click me button? It's not working. Yeah, this thing isn't working. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, it says next why it's not working. Okay, so go to counter.razor. Is this counter.razor? Gotta close all these. Oh, I accidentally closed too much. That's fine. Let me just find it again. Counter. Okay. We are back to square zero. Inside counter razor, add render mode. What is this? Okay. It's pretty simple. Just copy and paste. Click me. It still doesn't work. I don't know why. Something's wrong with this. Yes, this still doesn't work. I mean, I literally ran this. I don't know why it's not working, but... yeah, I don't know what I did. I'm gonna replace. We're gonna try it again. Yeah, I don't know why that works and what I did not work. It's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to the home page because yeah, I really feel tired and I kind of don't want to like do anything. But what is this? I exceed. Yeah, I exceed my weekly target. So well. I don't know, Kumori. I'm really tired. I just want to chat with you. Yeah, I just want to chat because it's been a while since we chatted. I don't know how you're doing, etc. I'm just here in Blue Ash trying to make it by as a single crazy cat lady adult. I say I have two cats, but really it's just one. But yeah, I haven't talked to you for a long time. I feel exhausted every day. I did one lesson and that's enough. Like I think you know one of my flaws now is that I am lazy. I admit that. There's some things where like I push myself. You know, this is the thing. Back before I did my tech startup, I was very like determined. I was a go-getter. I was like I'm gonna be on Forbes or whatever childish dream I had after like getting into or at least hearing about what the tech industry was all about. I was obsessed with that. So, yeah. Nowadays, I'm just really exhausted all the time. But this is the thing, Kumari. I keep telling my mom that if I had kids, I would be more motivated in life. Because if I had kids, I would say, okay, every day I would be like, I gotta make a good meal for them, so they feel like they like my cooking. I gotta what else? Like I gotta send them to school. I'd feel more motivated doing my job and cooking and just cleaning the house to like make a good life for my kids, right? But it's just like at this moment I don't have kids, so it's just like I'm just thinking like how how can I motivate myself and just like I pretend I have a human kid, not my cat. I mean, this is the thing. I would be a dedicated parent. I absolutely would be. Cause yeah, I feel like it would be very intense. It would be very intense, and knowing things about myself, I'll probably end up in my kids. So I know how to handle them, and yeah, I would be so much more motivated to cook, to work at my job, to keep a nice house or a nice home for my kids. I would feel much more motivated in life if I had kids by now. But right now, at this point, it's like I'm a crazy cat lady, and all I have is my cat. And my cat's very picky. She doesn't like anything except Fancy Feast. So every other brand of cat food I tried, she just rejects. She hates them. She hates anything except Fancy Feast. So I have to get her Fancy Feast treats because I tried to feed her a soup from soup from another brand one time. She hated it. She didn't touch it at all, and I had to throw it out. And I even occasionally buy cat milk for my cat because I thought, oh, cats, you know that stereotype you see in like the media of like cats drinking cow's milk, and I'm just like, oh yeah, my cat should drink cow milk too, but no, she doesn't like milk. She's such a carnivore, so it's just like, yeah, she only likes yeah. Anyway, let me just move this over here because I think that's enough for yeah. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my screen here. So yeah, I'm just overall tired every day, but I'm just glad like I can talk to you, Komori, because I feel like I have no friends right now. I have no friends. Yeah, my cat only likes fancy feasts. It's just like, yeah. So yeah, it's like I feel like right now it's like I keep telling myself like I have to practice with the mindset of, oh, think of buying groceries as a way to have, yeah, you're my friend, Kamara, you're my friend. So I have no friends in real life. Well, I did, but I've since stopped talking to all of them. So yeah. Let me tell you something funny, and I enjoy this, but I love being gossiped about on the internet, and I just watch all these Instagram and TikTok influencers talk about like oh, what's so great about, I guess since I'm such a topic of like this is the thing. I'm just glad that I'm the secret Labubu. Cause you know the Labubu monsters. I'm just glad the secret Labubu is based off of me. With the red nose and the dark brown color fur. So it's just like, yeah, I'm just glad. I won't say any more on that. I think I already said too much by revealing I'm the secret Labubu, but anyway, I'm just having such fun, like, dealing with these gossip girls, these girlies on the internet. I did? I did lose connection? Oh, that kinda sucks. Huh. Okay, I don't know, I don't know, yeah, I'm back. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there, but, yeah. So anyway, I'm just glad I have a lot of, this is the thing. People discuss about me. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. My name is Sonia. I'm a part-time streamer, and I'm not a consistent streamer. I just stream whenever I feel like. And welcome to my stream. Say hi to my number one fan, Kumori. He's been with me for a couple months, and he's my most dedicated. At least you helped me use my chat box, Komori. I just felt sad, like, when I first started my VTuber channel, I was like, oh, what if no one chats with me? But then nobody will use my chat box. And I took such delicate care and time to actually program to make it look nice. Hello, welcome. So, yeah, I'm just here to chat for, I guess, for another few minutes, and yeah, so that's what I've been contenting myself with. Like I just like watch these girls make their content, and when I know they're talking about me, I'm just like, I just feel glad inside that ha ha ha. Even though I have to not say so much on the internet, and I have to hide myself from social media. These girls are all like gossiping about me, and I'm just like, you know what? This is the thing. I content myself with these gossiping TikTokers and Instagram influencers, but at the end of the day, it's like I don't think I'm showing good leadership by just chatting about gossip and girly gossip, but you know what? It's what I enjoy. Yes, yeah, yeah. I suppose. Yup. I'm just I don't know. I'm just like oh, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I'm just I'm just contenting myself with light gossip, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm not making much good use of my time if I just listen to TikTok gossip all the time, but yeah, I what Japanese superstition? What do you mean? I was, but now I'm taking a break cuz I feel like I did one little chapter and one little section, two questions. I answered two questions or activities, and now I'm just tired again. I mean, I can go back to my previous screen, but yeah, I'm not. I'm just back at the home page now. But I was working on this a few minutes ago. Now I feel tired and I just feel like talking. So oh, I see. Okay. I didn't know that superstition. Thank you for telling me. I guess I do, I guess. I don't know. I think that's an interesting superstition, but yeah, I was coding a few minutes ago, but now I feel tired and yeah, one of my flaws is being lazy, and sorry, I feel totally lazy right now, so I'm practicing on ASP.NET. I'm trying to. I have all these courses here. Let me just go to my screen again. Hold on a second. Yeah, so I am. Hold on. Actually, oops, didn't mean to do that. Uh, so yeah, I'm just on the home screen. This is my ASP.NET course, so I'm learning all these courses here to. I mean, these aren't Microsoft related, but yeah, I'm focusing on learning ASP.NET because right now that's my main language I'm using at my job. So the more I practice this, the more fundamentals that get stuck in my head and ingrained in my head, I'd feel more confident. Yeah, I'm definitely procrastinating. I just don't feel like it today. At this point in my life, I'm just questioning like again, I told Kamori this earlier. It's just like I feel like by now I would feel more motivated if I was a mom. Then I'd feel like more energy and more meaning to actually cooking a nice meal because my kids. Yeah, so that's the thing. Like, I'd feel more motivated if I had kids right now. I'm just thinking like if I had kids and I was a mom, I'd feel like, oh, every day I have to cook something nice for my kids, and then every day I have to work at my job to earn money for my kids, and also I like keeping a clean, nice house for my nice home for my kids, like so they feel happy and content, like I just feel like if I had kids right now, I would feel so much more motivated in life. But right now it's like I don't have any kids, so it's just like yeah, I feel tired all the time. I feel like there's no meaning to anything I do these days. So I just buy microwavable meals. I'm like this sad, crazy cat lady bachelorette here. I'm a sad, crazy cat lady. Yeah, my source of motivation would be having kids right now, but I don't. So yeah, back in my 20s, my source of motivation was my startup. I was like, ah, I gotta make a living for myself. I gotta retire by 30. I gotta do all this. And I went through all that. And now I'm just like trying to rethink my life again. Just thinking, you know what? I should. This is what I told Kimori earlier. I should put myself in the mindset that I do have kids. Like, I should put. Oops, didn't mean to do that again. This scream is finicky. But yeah, I should put myself in a mindset of what if I had kids right now? Just I should imagine that I have kids. So then I'd feel more motivated to do everything I need in my life. So yeah, right now I don't, and I just feel sad all the time, but oh, nothing I can do about it. There's only so little I can control, and I just yeah, I'm just super tired most of the time. So yeah, yeah. Anyway, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing these days. Oh, I was thinking of skipping dinner. See, that's how bad I am of taking care of myself. I don't feel like cooking, I'll just fast and try to lose weight instead. So this is why I'm like my mom's like, Sonia, you gotta learn how to manage yourself. If you can't even manage yourself, how can you be a mom or even take on huger responsibilities? So see, do you see what my state of what my life is like now. It's like I just don't feel like cooking, so I'll starve myself. And if I had kids, they would be like, "Mom, we're hungry." I can't say, "Oh, I'm sorry, mommy's too tired to cook. I can't make food tonight. We're gonna go hungry." Like I can't do that if I have kids. I mean, that would make me a really bad mom. So it's just like if I had kids, I wouldn't be skipping dinner. So yeah, I'd lose more weight just running for 20 minutes. So, and I don't do that. So I need to learn how to like maintain and manage my own life. So yeah. Yup. Again, I feel like what I'm going through is like yeah, I should probably eat something, but then I have to go out. I have to drive to the grocery store because I don't have any ingredients. I only have Oh wait, I bought ramen. Yeah, I have cup of noodles of ramen. I could just eat a ramen noodle bowl. Like one of those microwavable bowls. Yeah, I could just do that. I totally forgot I bought ramen today. Like I was like, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm grateful you two are here. Yeah, ramen is great, especially now in my living situation. I'm just trying to like focus on okay, I gotta be disciplined. I gotta learn how to take care of myself. Like yes, yeah, I eat ramen. My grandmother used to make ramen for breakfast for me and my cousins, and man, I really miss it. It's just like she would add extra ingredients to the ramen, not just the sauce packet, but yeah. Oh, grandparents. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, again, I'll just repeat what I said earlier about what I told Komori. You weren't here, Anna, so I'll just explain what I told Komori earlier. So my mother's philosophy is that, this is the thing, my cousin, my older brother cousin in China, he's male, but I call him brother because in China you call